Morning in progress. So, what is January 2026? And each and every single time I gotta have to look at that date and just repeat this shit because, I'm just keep on saying December 2025. Like, what the fuck? I don't even know why I'm keep saying that. But I am going to say the bad things first and then go on to saying whatever the good happened to. So, anyways, this is my top step combine, and I blew that in a single day. And I got this account for free. That's another deal, but look at this. I was up around like 600 bucks and stuff like that, and after that, I just blew it all. So, what did I do? What did I do? So, took some couple of tiny losses right around here, and then my whole bias was today to be bullish. Like from the moment I came into the market, I just wanted to buy. And I was looking for buy entries, right? So once this happened, that was a short entry, probably a short. I didn't actually come live because I was at Tim Hortons and I was just trading from there. There it is, a break even trade, and a loss. And that was long. And this is another long that I took, and that was like a clean motherfucking trade. But I could have just held this trade. I know for a fact that the price is about to go and hit that 15-minute unfilled fair value gap. And I could have just held this trade right around there. And I would have been like out for the day, like 1,500, like 50% consistency rule, right? So, what I was doing, right? So once market opened, really didn't do much. So went up. That's a manipulation again, probably. And thought the price is gonna go up. I mean, like that was the shot, and then it happened on 30-second time frame, probably. I guess there is 30-second inversion. Got into the first position. I mean, I got stopped out right down here, and then got into a long again, break even. Came back up here again. That was a tiny loss, I guess. This was a tiny loss, and again, I got into another position right here, and literally that's like a top pick trade. And I was targeting this high, and after that, it was trailing stop loss. And initially, I had my stop loss right around here, and literally, it didn't actually come hit my stop loss. And it kept on going up, and I could have just held the trade, and I messed it up. I just fucked it up. And even then, I was right, but my contracts was really heavy, and I got knocked out. So that's how I blew this account. And if my stop loss would have been like probably right around here, maybe 4:1 and stuff like that, bro, like I would have just up around like 1,500 bucks today on this eval. But I have a good news, right? Good, good trades after this. So this is done, and I was like, this kind of got me like into a position where I was like, okay, I just blew an account. Like, what up now? What do I do now? Like, do I just trade my live accounts? And yeah, I did. I did trade my live account, and I probably took around like, what the was my thumb finger, dude? I thought something is over here. Like, what? Shit. Anyways, I thought I was not gonna trade, and I was so much patient, like literally like super patient. And I did something wrong right here. So I basically took this is one, two, three, four, and five, six. I don't know where is five, six. Really, like probably over here. Like those are all break-even trades. So I took one loss in probably around like four break-evens and a winning trade. So they right yeah, I guess probably this is like two, three, four, five. No, two. four, five, six. Yeah, like what I'll tell you what it is. So what I was doing, right? Like, why did I sell from there, right? Like that would be an amazing question to ask myself. Why did I sell it from there? Nothing much. Basically, price expanded that expanded crazy. Like literally, look at this. What is actually price doing right here? Let me just close all this shit and then come back up here. Like it's doing this, constantly doing this, constantly doing this, constantly doing this. What do you see it right? What do you see right here? Goes up, come back to 75 or 50%. Goes up, come back to 75 or 50%. Goes up, come back to 75 or 50%. Goes up, come back to 55 or 70%. Goes up again, come back to 65 or 70%. So that is basically what I was trying to do right here. What I did was I just marked out the swing. This is a swing. And price really didn't actually sweep out this London low right here and started going up. So what caused the price to move up today? Because Nvidia, right? You can see Nvidia was up 2% today. And I don't know, like I just saw a tweet, uh Walter Bloomberg, I guess. Damn, bro, like that's actually gives you the sauce, right? Like it gives you the instant news, whatever happening in the real time. It's actually producing it all of. He's actually giving it all, bro. Like I'm not even kidding you. Like so, the moment I saw that, I went back to what was that? Nvidia, right? So I went back to Nvidia and I was just looking at it, and it was like a huge spike up, and then like price actually like floating around like up around 2% for the day. So which is like kind of crazy, right? So whoever actually invested in Nvidia probably would have made a lot of racks. But I just literally wanted to do one thing, mark out this whole range, and I wanted to see one of the tiniest reversal pattern. What do we have here? We got a clean displacement with the fair value gap and an inversion on 1 minute time frame. It's just right around here. We also got this change in state delivery, or maybe you can call it market structure shift. So what you have right here is a fair value gap and price actually respecting it. So cool, right? Pretty amazing, right? So I probably would have made how much would I have made? Probably around like $200 on this. I should have closed it. This what the reason for the price actually going up, we do have 1 minute fair value gap right here. And on top of it, this is an internal loop. If you have a fair value gap inside a 1 minute fair value, if you have a fair value gap, you have an internal low inside the fair value gap, then the price is literally about to go up, literally about to have a good reversal, probably go up to 50% or 75% of that whole range that the price dropped or like it went up. In this case, price came back down to this 1 minute fair value gap, and we have this internal right here. And price literally did inverse this 1 minute fair value gap right here. And then you could have just entered right here, having your stop loss right here. This could be a potential 1:3, 1:2.6 trade, or like probably that would be a clean risk to reward, like honestly speaking. Let me just show that. We could just enter right there, and then you can just have your stop loss below this, probably maybe this, and could target this high. That's easy 1:2 trade. So that could be a thing, but I got stopped out at break even. I was like pissed off, bro. Like I was about to close here, right? I was literally watching the price reverse in front of my eyes, and it came back up and hit my stop loss. And I was like, what the fuck, bro? I could have just closed it up there. and I just walked away with a winning day. The same mistake that I did on my top step account. So I could have just held that trade a little bit longer and then like probably hit that up in a stick that up and break even and maybe like let it run. Probably I would have just survived that account. I would have just probably passed it on Monday, maybe. But it's okay. I'm not actually gonna care about it. Like once I get my pay, and I'm gonna invest that again on Top Step. And my next goal is to just get 550Ks on Top Step and connect them all, trade them. So this is one trade, and I entered one contract, two contract, three contract. First trade I actually entered without stop loss with one contract. So I literally closed it in profits like immediately. The moment I enter on the trade, I immediately closed it. And then before the previous day night, I was just checking out on the what is this trade singer, and it does works, and that explains that one trade. So and again, I entered one contract to another. I had another contract, so that's also gonna count as a trade. But we're not here for the trade counts, right? Like I'm just gonna take it right setup, and I saw right setup and I did take it. So what I was looking at, I was looking at the price rejecting off this 1 minute fair value gap, and I was like, okay, let me just sell it again right here. I had my stop loss right here. I can just lost one trade, and it's going to be probably around like $70, which is like nothing. And again, I entered on here. I got break even again. Again, I entered right here. This dropped around here. Uh, I don't know why I closed it. I would have just like, break even that trade. I got break even, stopped out at break even, and I didn't actually want to do a trade after that. And yeah, price dropped, and I was like, okay, I just fucked up. I should have just had my stop loss where it was, and maybe probably would have hit my take profit, right? So I took a tiny loss around here, like probably around like 70, $30, $40 probably with two contracts. And then this is where it gets trickier. Like what I just saw the sweep and I just entered right around here. I had my limit order, I guess. Yeah, limit order, and I got stopped. I mean, I got filled, and the price literally dropped to my take profit after that. Once I saw this inversion, I was like, okay, this is definitely gonna go down. Maybe until this woman unfilled fair value cap, maybe around there. And I know for a fact that I could actually catch this moon. I just let it run and hit my take profit probably around like $360. So that was the trade. This is actually, I wanted to see a reversal until 50, I mean, till 50% of this range, market open range. It did really happen, and I'm really, really happy about it. And actually, I'm really happy about one more thing is that I actually stick to my plans, and I just took a setup. I didn't actually gamble or something. I really kept my risk on tight. So it just really paid off, and I don't even know whether I can actually show this thing. But here's the P&L. What the fuck is that? Yeah. Anyways, this is the P&L across three accounts, and yeah, I mean, here it is. So I actually like this, kind of like this. To be honest, like holy shit, I really like this. The reason why I like this is I can just literally select all them and close. I mean, I can just set a lock. I can just lock it up. So, so that's it. It was a clean trading day, and I don't know why TopStep really gave me the account today morning, and it really kind of got messed up. I should have actually taken that buy trade and then held it up. And I'm not planning to shoot for the moon. Like probably around like I'm gonna hit 1:2, 1:1.5, 1:1, and I really kind of like this 1:1 game because like after like um having this thought in mind like less is more, right? So I can just keep $200 risk and probably let that trade run around like 1:1.5, and I already up $300, $250 probably maybe. I don't know, man. It all really connects right now. Like I really get it. I really get it right now. How why people actually do what they do, and like people like Blake or Patrick or like they actually connect 20, 30 accounts together and then just keep around like $150, $200 risk, and they just let it run, bro. Like they making $15,000 per day, which is like crazy, bro, crazy. Like I can't even believe it. I just had a winning day. I just had a $300 winning day, so probably around like $360. I made $360, and I made $800, 800, $900, which is like a month of work that I need to put, 1 month of physical hard fucking work that I need to put in, and I just did it in like fucking 32 minutes, and I didn't even actually watch the charts. I just took an entry, set my stop loss for my take profit, and I just closed the laptop. Bro, I'm really, 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 really grateful for myself not giving up. I'm really grateful for myself keep going. I'm really grateful for myself for trusting myself that this is gonna work out, and I would say that any day. And even if I'm having a red day or green day or whatever it is, I'm happy, and this is what I like to do, and this is what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. And maybe for not maybe not the rest of my life, but probably most of my business is gonna come out of trading. So this is like a gate, a key to the other side. So I'm really grateful that I found out this. I'm really, really, really happy that I'm doing this. And nothing can actually make me happy when I'm sitting in my trading desk and I'm just trading and like, bro, like it cannot be actually. I cannot actually say more about it. So, anyways, this is an amazing day. Hopefully, I keep going like this, and I see a clear picture from right on here. Like all you need is capital. So it feels really good. Um, just I need to trade my setups, and that's it. And that's about it. As always, believe in yourself. Anything is possible if you believe in yourself and believe in God. Without God, you cannot go anywhere, bro. You're like, I'm not at the place where I can actually say this, but I'm still trying to better myself. I'm still trying every single day. But man, I don't know, bro. But yeah, let's keep going. Even when you feel tired, wrong, messed up, beaten down, like just keep moving. Like you don't know where you're going, but just keep going with the thing that you love. Just keep doing the thing that you love, and just it's gonna pay you off. And that's about it. And I'm out. Adios, motherfuckers. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Adios.